Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with Knowledgehut.
A product owner is a role in a product development team or Scrum team who is responsible for the product backlog, making sure that it is up to date in terms of priorities and has the items which translate back to the vision. The product owner represents the business or user and is accountable for collaborating with the customer to define what features will be in the product release. So what do product owners do? The role of a product owner is really critical as it shakes hands at both ends, the development team and the stakeholders. The product owner works with the stakeholders to get the right requirements, right in the sense to help the users devise the requirements which they may not see or comprehend at that point. This not only improves the relationship with our customers, but also helps to build up the trust. And at the other end, the product owner helps the delivery team or development team to understand the vision and the requirements. Hence, this role is a kind of bridge between the two ends, holding tight to the two corners and effectively enhancing the smooth communication. Now let us see the different responsibilities which a product owner has to undertake. Defining the vision. The product owner has the responsibility of creating a vision so that the development team clearly visualizes the expected outcome by the user. It is the product owner who majorly interacts and collaborates with the users to understand their requirements. Thus, it is really important to translate this in a form of a vision to the team. Also, it is equally significant to communicate the vision and goals to the stakeholders, so that everyone talks the same language and have an identical understanding of the outcome. To make sure every item from the goal is aligned to the business objectives, the product owner should create a product roadmap, which is a high-level, tactical, graphical summary that shapes the vision and direction for the product. Managing the product backlog. The most essential responsibility in the product manager role is managing the product backlog. Today's market is really dynamic. The items in the product backlog might require some movements due to changing priorities. It's the product owner's responsibility to build a stack of items in the backlog and prioritize them as per the business goals. The product backlog is a dynamic list of items which should be frequently updated based on changing project requirements all the way through development. Prioritizing needs. The product owner has to prioritize the product backlog items in a way that they deliver the maximum outcome. We live in a world where help is readily available in terms of awesome tools. Hence, there are heaps of tools to help product owners do this. The product owner is required to have the backlog sequenced prior to the sprint planning meeting. This means that each user story must be ordered by relative importance. Oversee development stages. Once we have the basic entities in place, vision, product backlog, and the prioritization, the product owner has to make sure that he or she is participating in the overall development stages of the product. The team might need their product owner to get clarity on a few queries, or they might need to demo the committed item. The product owner will participate in the ceremonies with the team. In some ceremonies, this role can be active, such as planning or backlog grooming, but can be passive or inactive, such as in the daily Scrum. Evaluating product progress at each iteration. The product owner makes sure that the development works upon the priorities and monitors the progress of the items over the course of a sprint. Work that is either not complete or undone needs to be reprioritized or sequenced. The product owner makes sure that the development delivers the expected outcomes from the stories they worked upon and accepts it. So these were some of the many responsibilities a Scrum product owner takes. We hope this video helped you understand who a Scrum product owner is. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos and visit our website for all the Scrum-related courses.